All right. Woohoo! Oh. All right. Welcome back to another video, guys. Here we are at Winky Pop in Victoria. I've just driven 3 hours straight to get here after class, and some fun ones. Probably 2-3 foot, only about 5 guys out, and it's kind of glassing off. A couple of rainbows, and yeah, should be a couple waves. So I got my ASIM, hopefully the right board. Looks pretty fun. Just gotta work out how to get a few waves out of here. Never surfed here before, but keen to give it a go. Yo! Dude, this looks gnarly. Looks kind of sick though. Fully running. Gotta put my leggy on now. Wait. Sure. Just following this random guy, bro. Only 3 people out Winky, bro. Fun little ones. Gnarly section. Oh. God's creation. Got a couple. Nice board.
Yeah, see what I mean?
Yeah, looks
like
sick.
Fucking ancient as.
Yeah. Goes alright?
Yeah, yeah.
That's sick.
Big step up. It's good though. Yeah.
Love the channel.
What's that, mate?
Yeah.
Is that a home job?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Snap the nose off and everything.
Yeah, that's the go.
Yeah. Looks fun. See ya.